Hi, my name is Robb Mayers. I am the CEO of Outlier Construction. We are a general contractor and development company. With COVID came labor issues, and with that came supply chain issues, and with those led to material price escalations pretty rapidly, and also just really low inventory from a lot of our suppliers. Some of the innovative ways that we have found to get through the different supply chain issues we've faced is really engaging early in a lot of our planning and design in our projects. We're able to get with different key subcontractors and suppliers and look at different materials and products, really find what's been back ordered or maybe isn't readily available anymore, and switch to a newer, different type product. Some of the biggest takeaways that we've had that have helped us navigate this whole pandemic and be successful through it is really adapting early, looking for trends, not being afraid to reach out for help and talk to different people and kind of see what others are doing. The financial impacts of COVID were quite devastating for a lot of businesses. It seemed like for a while there, every week there was a new different regulation that we all had to adhere to and prepare for, and different PPP and different items that we needed to provide and give to people, which, everybody during COVID wanted to look out for their employees and be as safe as possible. But, when you're a small business and there's constant changing regulations and they're moving the goal line on you and where you need to be and go, it gets quite costly for it. The government made the PPP loans available for a lot of businesses, and I think it did help a lot of businesses out there get through a really tough time, whether they were mandated to shut down or their business slowed down or they only were able to have so many people there. Yeah, I'd love to say that we were able to cut a lot of operating expenses during the whole COVID crisis, but really it only increased costs for us, preparing and changing and adapting to this new and more digital world, and everyone needing tablets or computers and new and upgrading software so we can better integrate with other people. So while I'd like to say we were able to save money, it really ended up costing us all more, and hopefully we can turn that to be more efficient and better in the future. The virtual meetings has been a pretty big change for a lot of what we're doing, and I think we've seen a lot of growth through that, anywhere from just office meetings or check-in meetings to design meetings and being able to get designers and team members from all over together. You're seeing more in different software in terms of programs to help run a job, schedule a job, put it together. You're seeing cameras used a lot more in terms of not only for security, but for owners to be able to check in on the job without actually being able to go to the site. I think you'll continue to see a lot of virtual meetings. I think for us, we have different projects where we have owners and architects all over the country, and we're able to do virtual job walks to where they can see what's going on and we can show them. So I think you'll continue to see a lot of that. In the past 20 months, what's been good for our business in the construction and development world is money's been cheap. People have been wanting to put money to work. And so we've seen a lot of people wanting to own their own buildings or remodel to really use the money that's available out there at, the record low interest rates that we've had. And we've seen just a ton of demand and people wanting to do projects out there. So you're seeing that not only in the construction, in the commercial world, but residential also. We've seen a large influx in Southern Oregon of just people wanting to be here, people wanting to put money to work and build. I really feel during this whole pandemic, we've become closer with a lot of businesses and even some competitors of ours. There's been a lot more checking in and, getting together and talking about what they're doing, what we're doing, how they're getting through it, what they're seeing in success and what they're not, and just really sharing ideas. I think everybody wants people to be successful out there, which is really nice living in Southern Oregon. What I hope our business brings out of this whole season is just a more efficient, more sustainable way to build and develop projects. I see it as an opportunity for us to get better and hopefully be able to reduce costs in ways which will make projects more feasible for people to be able to do with all the different things we're seeing in terms of inflation and rising costs right now. Short-term goals for Outlier moving forward, I think probably the biggest one for me right now is just keeping our team together. We have built over the past 4.5 years just an amazing staff and team, and we've just been super fortunate. And if we can keep this current team together, we will just be amazing. And I couldn't be happier with the team that we've assembled and the direction that we're going with it. So if I could do anything, I would keep this group together and we'll be able to take on anything. My long-term goal for Outlier is to make Medford a more desirable place to build, develop, and live. I feel Medford has so much potential in it. There's just a better community here for Southern Oregon, and I think that's the biggest thing is what we want. This is somewhere where we all raise our kids and our families, and we want it to be the best it can be. So I think if we can all work together and do the right things and look out for one another, we'll get there together.